Hi everyone, I am Paul, the husband of Truly K. Today, I will take you all for a quick farm tour at my workplace here in Alain, United Arab Emirates.
Hi guys,
Let's
we
go,
are now
guys.
going to the greenhouse. Quick tour. Let's go. This is our greenhouse. And then you can look there. You can look there. That is our greenhouses. We put inside with different crops, such as cucumbers, such as capsicum, tomatoes, pumpkins, celeries, lettuce. So in the front, you can look. In this farm, we have around 150 greenhouses. So now we will go to the one tunnel to give you side to show you the what is inside. So let's come. Okay, you can go out. My cameraman, you can go out. Okay, around. Hi guys, let's go. This is our greenhouses. So let's go to one tunnel. Come inside. Come inside. Have a look there. All right. Now here. Go. This inside of our greenhouses. This is the sample. We plant some papaya. And also here, you can look, we have cucumber and cherry tomato. Have a look, come. So as you can see here, we have a lot of cherry tomato here. So now guys, let's go now to our open field to have a look there. Come. And as you can see these greenhouses from my left side, we tore this one, okay, and every channel have different crops planted. So in your front side, so beside of our greenhouses is it's a dates farm. Today we do fertilizing, so we put cow manure there. You can see cow manure there. You can see there cow manure with the blue bags and chicken manure. We mix it. Okay. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go now to open field. All right. So here in front, there is our parking there, right? So this side, this is our kitchen. Our accommodation is there. Now, and facing there, you can see now our offing field. Okay, cameraman, you can look there and put the camera on the offing field. There, you can see there now, we plant cauliflower, capsicum, eggplant, pumpkin, watermelon, okra, and many other crops. So let's stop in the center. Then how you can see our organic crops now. Now the temperature now here in our field, it's like 18 to 26 degree. So we plant more crops in the winter time in the UAE. Here, come here, Mr. Cameraman. So here and in France, you can see now here. So cameraman, get down first. All right. Guys, here I will show you some of our planted. This is cabbage. Hey guys, so as you can see now guys, this is cabbage and another variety of cabbage, and other is cauliflower, corn, and many other crops. So come here, so you can see now here it's a very good quality cabbage. All right, so you can make harvest of this. So see guys, it's very healthy. I will cook tonight this one. I'll make chop suey recipe. Come guys, we'll go to the goat farm on the other side, so you can see how is our goat farm. Dal. Fresh pig from the farm. Alright, so now let's go to let's roam around before we go to the goat farm. As you can see here, this is our net houses. We plant capsicum there, everything is there, right guys? Hi man, how are you? How are you, Rashid?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good. My cameraman is from Uganda. One of our labor here is my best labor in the farm. In the farm, whenever I need some assistant, he will always there. Right, man?
Right.
Okay. In Uganda, how you said how are you is like Olyocha.
Olyocha.
It means kumusta ka?
Jendi.
Jendi Olyocha. Alright, this side you can see here, cameraman. You can see this is our net houses. Alright, and beside that one this is cabbage and corn. And also big planted for our eggplant. We have a long eggplant, we have a round eggplant. So you can see here. What's good in the farm is we plant as much we accumulate the space on the area. So now let's go to the goat farm. here in the front, you can see there is a mountain. And you can see there is a mountain. That is, we are now in, our farm is a border of Oman, in Buraimi, Oman. So you can look now, that is our 65 arc of net houses. Alright. So, how are you, Mr. Cameraman? And hit the notification for Truly K. Share with your Uganda nationality, alright?
Alright.
Alright, man. So now you can see in this side, we have cauliflower. Alright, now we are near to the goat farm. And that in front, that is our water tank, and also with our poultry slaughter. Alright, so this one, guys, in the left corner, this is our hydroponic farm, 15 hectares, tomato farms, tomato plantation. Alright, you can see that one. So it's a massive plantation. So this is a river, dry river. So sometimes there is full, this rain, this is having more water. So here we are now in front of our goat farm. So let's visit our goat farm. So here now, this is our goat farm. Alright, so looking yeah, let's go to the goat farm. This is our goat farm. So so guys, let's watch. So cameraman, come on. So this is our goat farm. As you can see here. So this is our goat farm. It's a very nice goat farm. We are here to. We have also own doctors here who have checked every time, separating the young and adult. On the other side there is a mutton also, and also here. So this one is a goat farm. Yalla, well, let's go to our dairy farm. Let's go, Rashid. Just press hard, right? All right. Okay, Rashid, bye. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
All right. So now let's go to the dairy farm. We are going out now to the goat farm, and this side also you can see that, Rashid. This is our goat farm also. Around 6,000 goats we have. So here one, Rashid, you can see here. In this side also we have. So now let's go to the dairy farm. All right.